Right here we have the integral of sine x times cosine x squared. So just from looking at it, we can see that it is a product of two trigonometric functions. So we can try to use substitution, because we know that the derivative of sine is cosine and the derivative of cosine is negative sine x. So let's first try and see if we can pick which function to set to be u. So if we have cosine to the power of something, then we can just set cosine x to be u. Then our du can be negative sine x dx. And in this way, we can replace cosine squared of x as being u squared, and sine x dx, let me just draw this in red over here, sine x dx can be replaced by negative du. If we move the negative to the other side, then sine x dx can be replaced by negative du. So this is our integration by substitution. So now we can now do our integral in terms of u, and it's much easier than before. So the integral of negative u squared is negative 1 over 3 u cubed plus c, and we're just going to substitute what we called u in the first place, which is cos x. So now we have the integral of sine x times cos squared x. Now this will work with any power of cosine x. All you have to do is set u equals cosine x, and if you have 1 sine x, then your du can be replaced, or your sine x dx can be replaced by du. So now let's take a look at another example. Now this example is going to be the opposite of the previous one, where we have a big power of sine x and 1 term of cos x. So this time, we're going to let u be sine x. Our du is going to equal cos x dx. And we can see that our integral can be rewritten as u cubed, and right now the cos x dx can be replaced by du. So we are going to write that. So now our integral is again in terms of u, and we can do this much easier than we can do this trigonometric integral. So the integral of u cubed is 1 over 4 u to the 4th plus c, and we have to substitute u, which is sine x. So what we're going to get as our final answer is 1 over 4 sine to the 4th x plus c. And this will work with any power of sine x. So all you have to do is set u equal to sine x, and if you have 1 term of cos x, then that will be your du. So if you have any one of the functions, sine x or cos x, to the power of any number, any big number, then if you also have the other function, so if you have sine to the power of something times cos x, then you can use this method of substitution. And same thing with the cosine, like in the previous example. This one, there we go. So if you have a cosine, then you can do the same thing. So that is integration by substitution, trigonometric integrals.